Hello and welcome to this week's weather briefing for Western and Central Wyoming. Today is August 7th. My name is Jason and this is produced by the National Weather Service in Riverton, Wyoming. Last week we had monsoonal moisture return across the state, and here is a map of the estimated amount of rain that fell since last Thursday. And as you can see, some areas had over an inch of rain fall. We also had quite the lightning show in some areas. Here is lightning strikes since last Thursday. And several of our followers on Facebook uploaded pictures and video of the lightning show. This was taken near Casper, and we thank anyone who shared these photos and videos with us. So, will the upcoming week be just as active? Let's take a look. Well, here's Friday's weather pattern. We have 700 millibar heights with some relative humidities overlaid. And as you can see, we have this little disturbance coming out of Idaho, which will bring widespread showers and thunderstorms. Some of these storms could produce heavy rain and small hail at times. Kind of moving into Saturday, we have this area of high pressure trying to build across the region. However, some lingering moisture and a little frontal boundary could spark off a few isolated scattered showers and thunderstorms across much of the region. Some stronger storms could even be possible across Johnson and Natrona County. Saturday, we see this ridge of high pressure build even more over us. However, some lingering moisture and a lingering frontal boundary could bring some isolated scattered thunderstorms, mainly across the mountains and eastern portions of the forecast area. By Monday, we kind of start losing some of that moisture, so we're not expecting as much shower and thunderstorm activity, although some could still be possible across the northern and western mountains. We also kind of start getting into the southerly flow on Monday, so slightly warmer temperatures will be expected. And then Tuesday and Wednesday. On Tuesday, we get into that southerly flow, so we're going to have the kind of the warmest day we expected on Tuesday. However, we'll see some increase in moisture, some more isolated scattered showers and thunderstorms will be possible. And then by Wednesday, this low pressure we see out in the western U.S. tries to ride up and over our ridge of high pressure, and that's going to bring widespread chances of showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday. Here's kind of a look at the forecasted high temperatures for the weekend into next week. You'll see we are generally on a warming trend until Tuesday, our peak day. And then with those showers and thunderstorms expected next Wednesday, we'll kind of cool off slightly. Here's the long-range outlook for August 14th through the 20th. We have slightly below normal temperatures with near to slightly below normal precipitation expected. Our fire weather outlook is generally going to be low threat for severe fire weather. We are expecting a slight warming trend and some thunderstorms this weekend. However, with the amount of lingering moisture, the fire weather threat will remain low. However, as always, check current conditions in your area. If anyone's thinking of taking a late summer Yellowstone trip, here is the Yellowstone forecast for the upcoming week. We'll have generally slightly below normal temperatures for Yellowstone with chances of showers and thunderstorms each day. We thank you for watching our weekly weather briefing. Please call us anytime at our 1-800 number. You can also find us on Facebook and Twitter. Have a safe and enjoyable weekend.